Alright, Safarnama brings you today another trail at Dumi village, Shimla, where we are staying, Heavot Caves Resort. We are going towards the pine forest. Let me show you. Yes. So, this is the trail. Is it coming? I think so. Yes. Let me. Yeah. So, this was the place where we had the swing, and now we are going behind the resort. That's the kitchen area. So I'm behind the kitchen and taking a detour here. Right. Yeah. I guess I should be able to come down. Yeah. There we are, and that's where I came from. All right, a little bit farther, and this is a small plain before we actually reach the forest, which is, as you can see, is hardly 50 meters away. You can see the pines are falling from the tree. If it's white cloth, then it means it's part of the government property. And yeah, I'm here actually entering into the forest now. Okay, it's very steep downward slope. I don't know how I'm gonna come upstairs, but okay, thick foliage and very slippery. And yes, now this is all on the slope. I don't know with the camera in my hand if I'll be able to maneuver through this, but I can at least say I'm at the start of this small forest of pine trees. So now let me go into the forest actually and explore a bit. Just pray that there are no wild animals who eat me up, and I should be able to come back, return safely to my cottage. Thank you. Bye bye.